Okay, this one is due to the defrosting part problem. You see the ice, all ice already blocked. That's why here also no air. Here air is blowing, but no air. Even here also no air. This side also totally no air. Because the all controlled by here, freezer side. The air come from freezer go to this side, go to chiller. Now already blocked, that's why the air cannot go through. This one return. This one the air come out, but now already blocked. That's why the air no come out.
Here problem.
This one is the defrosting part problem. Okay, now I already open. So you see inside all the ice already blocked. I need to using water to defrost. Then I can open the cover. This one is due to the defrosting part problem. If you want, we need to change the defrosting part. Okay. Okay. See all the ice. So behind also very dirty lah. This one just now is this way one. So we open up inside also very dirty. Just help me to do some service also lah. Okay You on. I start.